Joining me now is Mr. Shubhendu Adhikari. 2021 e apni giant killer chilen. You defeated Mamata Banerjee. Are you missing her in Nandigram this time around? You think she should have contested from here? Or she got scared?
I accepted it, but she not come here. She is fighting in Bhavanipur. For that reason, I will go there.
You'll go there.
Eh?
And Nana, tell me one thing.
29th, I will see Mamata Banerjee.
You're confident?
On the battlefield of Bhavanipur.
So you think
Yes,
Nandigram
I
will be
should.
repeated in Bhavanipur? You'll
I
be able to
should.
defeat her?
I should.
Suppose the BJP wins. Will you be the chief ministerial?
No, I am not passing any comment regarding this issue. BJP not declared any person as a chief minister before election. We are campaigning under the leadership of the Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi is the
why do you
guarantor.
think the BJP
We are working for change.
SIR, people are talking you Bohiragoto, you people will march khawa bondo hoye jabe. What do you want to say to the voters?
Because after long 15 years regime Mamata Banerjee, she did not implement her one single assurance given by her party manifesto. She always said the 2 crore employment, no list, no white paper. The education system disaster, the health system disaster, farmers are crying, no infrastructural development. She is obstructing Ayushman Bharat card, Vishwakarma Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Sadak Yojana, 61 rail projects stalled due to non-provided land. She also disturbs our country because she is not providing adequate land to the BSF for fencing. 600 kilometers in Bangladesh border area, there is no fencing due to non-provided land by the Mamata Banerjee government. It's anti-national activities.
Two quick questions. Yesterday you heard the Supreme Court. They pulled her up because she took the file of the IPAC and they're saying no chief minister should behave like this. What would you want to say to them?
I want strong action should be taken by the...
If the BJP comes to power, would you take strong action?
Obviously.
What is going to be a first decision?
The Bharatiya Nyaya Sanghita, BNS, will be implemented here in every sphere.
And she's also made an attack on the Amit Shah, Home Minister, saying that, he's taking a Didi. So the Didi or Didi insult ta abar repeat kora hoyeche.
She is trying to divert the issue. Issue is clear. Today one Hindu woman, like my sister, she cried.
I saw her, yeah.
And she told me in front of media, that please save Hindu. We are unsafe. If Mamata Banerjee will come again, the Hindu will be suffer much more. Again one 70 or approx like mother lady. She told, I am going to the polling booth Mamata को सबक सिखाने के लिए due to Arjikar incident. Third, one young educated guy, he told me Mamata Banerjee नौकरी चोर है. 26,000 service holder lost their services due to recruitment scam. I am going to cast my vote against Nakri Churi. This is the common picture of the state. Coach Bihar to Kakdeep, Darjeeling to Digha, everywhere you are seeing that people want change, real change.
Thank you very much for speaking to CNN.